If you've been keen enough while moving around Nairobi, you may have seen this Qwetu brand of Purpose-Built Student Accommodation facilities. Owning one of these will cost you not less than 1.5 billion Kenyan shillings. So, this is an investment best reserved for the ultra-wealthy. Right? Wrong. Through an investment vehicle called Real Estate Investment Trusts, otherwise known as REITs in Kenya, you can own a piece of the Qwetu student accommodation facilities with as little as 1,000 shillings. So, what are the advantages of investing in this Qwetu brand of student accommodation facilities, or what are the advantages of investing in REITs in Kenya? Number one, consistent income. The Capital Markets Authority, which is an independent government body that regulates financial markets in Kenya, requires that real estate investment trust must pay at least 80% of their income to investors like you and I in the form of dividends. And if you invest in the Acorn I-REIT, and the Acorn I-REIT is the brand that is responsible for the Qwetu brand of student accommodation facilities, if you invest in it, you will be paid dividends twice a year. Advantage number two, diversification. Kenyans love real estate. There's no argument about that. But through REITs, through Real Estate Investment Trust, you are able to invest in real estate affordably and profitably. This means that you do not have to wait until you've saved up millions in order for you to put up rentals, buy a plot of land, or even buy a home or a house. Using REITs, you can diversify your investment portfolio with as little as 1,000 shillings. Transparency. You know, when you invest in real estate investment trust, you know exactly what you're investing in because there's an actual asset. For example, the Qwetu brand of student accommodation facilities. You can see the brand. You can actually go and visit the facilities in order for you to be sure that you're investing in something that actually exists. In terms of transparency, you also have access to their financials, and therefore you're able to tell the costs they incur in running these facilities and the returns that they make. Advantage number four, capital appreciation. Capital appreciation is the increase or in price or value of an asset. Real estate investment trusts are mid-term to long-term investment. Therefore, you would need to be invested for at least 3 to 10 years in order for you to experience the capital appreciation aspect of this investment. Advantage number five, capital protections. REITs are the only asset-backed income generating asset. Yes, in Kenya, REITs are the only asset-backed income generating asset. Therefore, as an investor, you know that you're protected and you therefore feel comfortable throughout the investment period of this asset, of this investment. Advantage number six, tax exemption. REITs in Kenya are exempt from corporate tax, capital gains tax, and stamp duty tax. Why is this an awesome thing for you to know as an investor? Because it means that there is more income to distributed to you as an investor. A lot of companies in Kenya, a lot of investments in Kenya struggle because the 30% corporate tax is so high. Therefore, there's only so much that investors get at the end of the day. Advantage number seven, liquidity. If you invest in the Acorn I-REIT, which will therefore means that you're owning units in the Qwetu brand of student accommodation facilities, you will be able to access your investment through the VUKA platform. And when you log in onto your portal, you're able to sell your units whenever and wherever you want. You're able to access your unit through the VUKA platform online on your phone or on your laptop. And the other aspect of liquidity is that you don't have to wait to save millions in your chama or as an individual to save millions for you to buy a plot of land, put up rentals or buy a house. You don't have to wait until you save all the millions. Through real estate investment trust, you can own units rather than waiting for 5-10 years in order for you to own a whole asset. Advantage number 8, professional management. The REIT manager, for example, for the Qwetu brand of student accommodation facilities, the REIT manager is Acorn. So the REIT manager is tasked with the professional, is tasked with the property property management and development and property development management aspect of this investment. Therefore, you don't have to struggle wondering, where should I buy? Is this a good time to sell? Is this a good time to add another unit? They're tasked with that. They're tasked with that role of professionally managing your investment, and they're answerable to the Capital Markets Authority that I talked about at the beginning of this video. So, to get started investing in the Acorn I-REIT, click the link on my bio, or you can also send me an email and I'll hook you up.